Fields of gold beneath the moon, whispering secrets way too soon. Summer's breath, a gentle sigh, before the reapers learn to fly. Stalks stand tall, a silent sea, waiting for destiny. Engine hums a low, deep drone, awakening the world alone. Fading light, a amber gleam, living out a farmer's dream. Bumper crop, nocturne, the reel starts to turn. I cut it all, but the song still remains. Indigo sky where the lone spirits lie, harvesting silence in the golden grains. Chef in my throat, a dusty taste. Every moment time makes haste. Shadows stretch and start to creep, secrets that the wild fields keep. Headlights cut the fading blue, cutting paths for me and you. Engine hums a low, deep drone, awakening the world alone. Fading light, a amber gleam, living out a farmer's dream. Bumper crop, nocturne, the reel starts to turn. I cut it all, but the song still remains. Indigo sky where the lone spirits lie, harvesting silence in the golden grains. The reel slows down, a final sweep, secrets that the wheat fields keep. Cab light clicks and fades to black, no turning back, no turning back. The wheat leans low, a whispered plea, just the engine and me. Dawn breaks red, a fiery stain on fields reborn, washed by the rain. I cut it all, but the song still remains. Silhouette stark where the lone spirit lies, harvesting silence beneath crimson skies.